So I went to Five Below today and I'm in Philadelphia and I found some dumplings. First we're going to start off with the Shark Edition one because they didn't have the normal rainbow one. I just took the plastic wrap off and the wrapper, obviously. Okay, so here it is. The options for this one are like a green, oh it's teal, red, blue, dark blue, the mystery shark one, orange or yellow. The ones I want are teal, dark blue, light blue, or obviously the shark one. Okay, you get to see first. Yes! These are so fun to play with, but I hate the sound of it. It's like, I just don't like it. Here's the second one. I want the light blue, the teal, or obviously the shark one, because I got the dark blue one. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yes, oh my gosh, I've called it. I loved it so much. I didn't get the glitter or the light blue, but I got two of the ones that I wanted. Now for the mini normal one. It's not shark, it's just the, I think it's pastel, it doesn't say. But there's a teal, purple, blue, or sky blue it looks like. These are supposed to be Orbeez. I want the purple because like, why not? I'm obviously happy with any of them, but I really want the purple. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's glittery too. You can't see it, but it's glittery. It's Orbeez. Ooh, this was the best. I should have got more little ones. The little ones are only $1. Thanks for watching. Bye.